Good morning and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, May 25th from Luther, Michigan up here at Camp Living Waters. And we'll be back with the regular forecast once we get into Friday. And you can see temperatures out there this morning, mainly in the mid to upper 50s. We've had plenty of showers around, but not a lot of heavy amounts. But most areas picking up rain here in the last 24 hours. If we look at the soil conditions out there this morning, you can see at all depth levels, you can see pretty much temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, and the leaf wetness you can see is quite wet this morning out there with some of the rain showers about. And you can see some of the precipitation amounts we've had since midnight. And if we look at the radar, you can see that activity pinwheeling back around that upper low back into southwest Ontario. They're going to get quite a bit of rain over in that area, maybe even in a thumb here over the next few days. And then it becomes lighter once you get back into western portions of lower Michigan, and even more so once you get into the UP. We do expect this precipitation to continue to be thrown back at the state, so expect more scattered showers here over the next 24 hours. We begin to dry out, and right now most of the weekend looks pretty decent until we get into Sunday night into Monday. We could have some more widespread storms as we look at a very heavy rain pattern with strong storms off to our south as we get into Monday and Tuesday, and that's something we're going to keep an eye on. If we look at the weather map this morning, you can see our low pressure system now will continue to eventually lift off to the northeast. A new one's going to develop off to the southwest, and you can see as that cold front comes into the area, thunderstorms, and we expect a low pressure system again to develop, and we can see that on the weather map as we get in towards Saturday. You can see a couple of low pressure systems with a large area of potentially severe weather and some heavy flash flood guidance type rains. And again, that's this system here we're going to have to watch. Right now it's calling for scattered rain and thunderstorms. But again, the farther north this tracks, the more significant rain we may see here across the Great Lakes. If we look at the forecasted precipitation amounts, this is from the WPC, and we'll put this into about the 5-day area here, and you can see that takes us into 7 o'clock Monday night. You can see areas across central and eastern lower Michigan, especially in the southwest Ontario, have the best chance of seeing the most significant rain. And if we look at the model, the GFS model, again, it shows a pretty good area here over the next few days across northeastern lower Michigan. So something we're going to have to keep an eye on, especially again as we get into later Sunday into Monday and possibly into Tuesday. But right now, most of Sunday could be pretty decent. Saturday looks really nice right now. And again, we'll see temperatures well into the 70s. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you tomorrow, and 73s to all.